Hello, my name is James Bradley, and this is my application for the Breakthrough Collaborative. Today I'm going to be teaching how to solve two-step algebraic equations. Welcome, class. Today we're going to be learning about two-step algebraic equations. Remember how we solved one-step equations? Yeah? Well, we're going to be building on that, and we're going to add another step in order to find solutions to algebraic equalities. You have here on the table in front of you a nice demonstration of a equality. I have two elements, these dice, which are going to represent our unknowns, and then I have these blue cubes right here, which are going to represent our knowns, just integers 1, 2, 3. Think you understand? Cool. Okay. So now, let's start by setting up an equation on the table. We're going to put a certain number of elements on one side, a certain number on the other, and then we're going to add our unknowns to the other side too. How would we write this particular relation in a mathematical equation?
So 5, you have 5 elements here, so 5.
Okay, we have 5 elements on one side.
And then on the other side equals 2 unknowns, 2x plus 1.
2x, yeah, we have 2 of our unknowns, so we have 2x, and then we have 1 of our known variables, so we put plus 1. All right, great. So what we're going to do first is we're going to try to isolate this 2x element. How would we do that?
Can we divide both sides by 2?
Could we divide both sides by 2? That's a great start. And we could do that. It would be technically correct. But it wouldn't really help us isolate this 2x, because you would see that we would still have a other element. We would have 2 elements on this side of the equation. So let's try to think of another way to approach the problem that involves just getting this 2x by itself. Any ideas?
To get the 2x by itself, we'd have to take this away, which would be the same as subtracting by 1.
Yes, exactly. So you subtract by 1. On both sides, right? Because if we do it to this side, you got to do it to the other side. Perfect. So we subtract by 1 on each side. 5 minus 1 is
4.
4. 2x minus 1 is 2x
2x
plus 1 minus 1, I'm sorry, is
2x.
2x, yeah. So we get 4 equals 2x. So now we have 2x on this side and 4 cubes on this side. What would we do to isolate just one of these elements?
Yeah, can we divide by 2 on both sides?
Yeah, Matthew, now we can divide by 2. Perfect. So, if you take 1 away from this side, how many would you have to take away from this side?
You'd have to take 2 away.
2 away, yeah, because, right, exactly, because one of these corresponds to 2 of these. So, if we divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 is?
1.
1. And then 4 divided by 2 is?
2.
2. And we have to remember that we're multiplying this by x. 1 times x is?
X.
X, got it. So we get x equals 2. And now we can plug it back into our original equation to see if it works out. Should we try it? Got it. So remember, x equals 2, right? Okay? So we get 5 equals 2 times 2, because x equals 2, plus 1. What's 2 times 2?
4.
4. And what is 4 plus 1?
5.
5, yeah. So 5 equals 5, and we have solved our two-step equation.
But Mr. Bradley, is there an easy way to remember how to do it?
Of course there's an easy way to remember how to do it. Here you go. Alright, here is how we can remember all that we learned about two-step equations in a handy acronym and rhyme. F-U-A-D. FUAD stands for to find the unknown, add, then divide. Everyone got it? And in order to help us remember, we can just repeat, FUAD is our friend, he's on our side. To find the unknown, we add, then divide. Let's do it together.
FUAD is our friend,
he's on our side. To find the unknown, we add, then divide. Remember, Matthew? So what do we do to find the unknown?
FUAD is our friend, he's on our side.
To find the unknown, we add then divide.
Add, then divide. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Perfect.